I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Click on Create Integration. Search for Tripetto Form. Select a form. Click on Next. Search and select an action. Twilio. Give your account SID, auth token, and phone number. So please visit the Twilio console. Copy the account SID, auth token and Twilio phone number. And paste it here. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Now click on Next. Select number. Map the messages fields. Here are advanced features in conditional logic. If you want, you can use it for your own requirement. Click on Next. Finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Click on Send Message. Form submitted successfully. Now go to the Twilio site and refresh the page. And you can see the message was sent successfully. Thanks for watching.